In the depths of the Amazon rainforest, a 1-meter-long caterpillar feasts on a single leaf, storing enough energy for an entire lifetime. Deep within the lush canopy, an incredible world of insects unfolds, home to a staggering variety of species. The Amazon rainforest has been a source of fascination for scientists and naturalists alike. One of the most intriguing creatures to inhabit this world is the Atlas moth caterpillar. Growing up to 1 meter in length, it's the largest caterpillar on record. But what's truly remarkable about this creature is its unique relationship with the plant it eats. The caterpillar sequesters toxic compounds from its host plant, which protects it from predators and provides a defense mechanism. This phenomenon occurs when the caterpillar feeds on the plant's sap, absorbing the toxins and storing them in its body. It's a remarkable adaptation that's allowed the Atlas moth to thrive in an environment where many other insects would perish. The caterpillar's size and behavior have led some scientists to describe it as a miniature elephant in the insect world. However, its massive size also makes it vulnerable to predators, such as birds and monkeys.
In fact, the Atlas moth caterpillar is one of the few insects that can survive being attacked by a hungry bird.
This is because the caterpillar has developed a unique defense mechanism, releasing a foul-smelling fluid that repels predators. Insects that can survive being imagine a creature that can survive being hungry bird, attacked by a predator, and then release a foul-smelling fluid to repel it. It's a remarkable story. The Atlas moth caterpillar's incredible size and unique defense mechanism have fascinated scientists for centuries. But what's even more fascinating is the caterpillar's life cycle, which is tied to the life cycle of its host plant. As the plant grows and matures, the caterpillar feeds on its sap, eventually storing enough energy to pupate and transform into a moth. The transformation from caterpillar to moth is nothing short of miraculous, with the caterpillar's body undergoing a radical transformation. The adult moth emerges from its chrysalis, its wings still folded, but it will soon take to the skies, beginning a new generation. This incredible life cycle has captivated scientists and naturalists for generations, and it continues to inspire wonder and awe. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the natural world, and the Atlas moth caterpillar is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on our planet. From the Amazon rainforest to your backyard, the natural world is full of incredible stories, waiting to be discovered. So, what's the significance of the Atlas moth caterpillar's incredible size and unique defense mechanism? The answer lies in its impact on the ecosystem, where its feeding habits and defense mechanisms have a ripple effect on the entire food chain. This phenomenon is not unique to the Atlas moth caterpillar, as many species have evolved similar adaptations to survive in their environments. The story of the Atlas moth caterpillar serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on our planet and the importance of preserving it. In the words of a renowned naturalist, the natural world is a vast and wondrous place, full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And so, we continue to explore, discover, and learn about the incredible creatures that call our planet home. Join me on this journey of discovery as we explore the natural world and uncover its secrets. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and let's continue to explore the wonders of the natural world together. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts on this incredible creature. What fascinates you most about the Atlas moth caterpillar? If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.